In this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge two photos to make it look like a happy family photo. So let's cook. Step 1. Import the picture of the people you want to add. Step 2. Right click on the image layer and select rasterized image. Hit the property bar and select remove background. This will help remove the background from the picture. Bring layer down. Select the background image, hit Ctrl J and duplicate layer. Select the duplicated image and drag to the top of the layer panel to set as the foreground. Select the duplicated background, hit the property bar, select remove background and remove background again. Good. Now adjust the image to match the height and size. Select the transform tool so you can easily select the image and navigate. Satisfied with the result, select the layer mask and then hit select and mask icon. You can play with the settings to get the special feel you need, but for this example I'll scroll down to the shift edge tab and adjust to recover some part of the mask. When you're satisfied with the result, hit OK. Next we have to duplicate layer. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate layer, then select mask layer. With the foreground color of my brush set to black, I'll paint over the part of the photo I want to remove and paint. Next, we'll have to recreate the hand of the man in the photo, so you can use the pen tool or any selection tool to draw around the hand area and then select Ctrl J. Move this layer to the side you want to fix and use mask tool to remove the unwanted area. Next, we are going to select the curve tool to make the side dark and add the illusion that there's a shadowy dark area around the arm there that the light is not bouncing on. So we're going to work in that, and we're going to use the mask tool again to erase unwanted part and just make it blend and look natural. We are going to select the background layer and hit Ctrl J to duplicate it, and then we're going to take it to the top of the layer tab and place it here. And also we are going to select the chair, and we are going to select the chair and then we're going to adjust it close to the boy to make it look like it's close to the boy, of course, because that's what we want. We are going to take the layer of the chair down to the back so it will feel as if it's at the back of his hand, like he's sitting, not like he's standing on like, not like the chair is on him, but he's on the chair. Yet. And then we are also going to do a content as well fill on the lady, and so we can fill out this missing space between her and the background and the chair. And when we are done with that, we are going to also fill out the background so it will look natural and okay. For the content however, we are going to sample only the dress because you need only the dress to sample. Then we're going to make sure the green thing is sampling only the dress, and we're going to just fill it out there. Now that is out of the way, we are just going to fill out the background. Just with clone stamp tool or clone stamp tool or any tool you can use, just fill out the background and just make it disappear. It's just so easy from here on. This part is based on what you want. Adjust saturation and brightness and contrast, whatever, to your desired feel. Just play with it to make the photo look real and blend all photos together as one. This step is up to you. Anyhow you want to do it, you go ahead and do it. Just make sure it is blending, it is reacting very well with the background. It is looking natural. Just play with it. There are so many tools you can explore.
Tell me no.
Next, I'm going to erase the unwanted line. See those black lines by the side of my character's face, and that shows that I actually selected them from one background. So I'm going to erase those lines from those photos using the max tool, and then making sure my brush is set to black, the color is set to black, and then I'm going to select around this picture image, and I'm going to paint and paint and paint till I'm satisfied that I have removed every unwanted layer lines around the neck, the ear, the face, the skin, the hair. Just make sure I do that. Alright, to make this more realistic, I'm going to add shadows to this. So I'm going to select the curve adjustment tool, reduce the levels or the number or the whatever, the curve, bring it down, make it dark, and then I'm just going to invert the mask and paint over with a soft brush and try to, like, create that shadowy feel around it, that if someone see like, oh, okay, they relaxing on each other, something like that. Just make that shadowy area, just make it blend, and the guy and the girl, just around, just play with it, just do it. Alright, so the interesting part of this is where I have to make it look as if it's a real picture taken in the studio. So first of all, I have to add blur effect to the overall layer, and I'm going to reduce the blur, just make it slight, reduce the blur, and then I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to use the max tool, and then just invert it again, and then just use my brush tool to tap around the area I want to apply this blur for it to blend with the background image and look super dope. You get it looks very fire when I'm done with it. You are not limited to this is just basically my method. You can decide to look for a way to do yours and make it look real, but it doesn't matter. The point is you were able to fix these people together and make them look like one big happy family, even if they were just stock photos I got from Unsplash. Yes, Unsplash, I got these stock photos from Unsplash. From Unsplash you can get some clean pictures and do something with it. I'm also going to send this to Camera Raw and try to enhance the picture, make it look sweet and cool and warm and more happy family kind of thing. So here is the before and here is the after. If you like this video, if you love the results, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on my post notification for more content.